Chinese President Xi Jinping's state visits to Serbia, Poland and Uzbekistan. That's starting on Friday. Xi Jinping left Beijing Friday morning. He first flies to Belgrade to meet with Serbian President Tomislav Nikolic and to lay a cornerstone for a Chinese cultural center in Serbia's capital. President Xi Jinping will round up his trip in Uzbek capital Tashkent, where he will attend the 16th meeting of the Council of Heads of State of the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. This year marks the 15th anniversary of the founding of the SCO.